How to make a Taurus man fall in love with a Scorpio woman. The connection between a Taurus man and a Scorpio woman is magnetic but complex. Both are fixed signs with strong wills, yet their differences can create a powerful, lasting bond. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're wondering how to make a Taurus man fall in love with a Scorpio woman, here are 10 practical tips to guide you. 1. Show unwavering loyalty. Taurus men prize loyalty above all. Be consistent and dependable to build trust. 2. Use subtle sensuality. Appeal to his senses with gentle touches and quiet confidence rather than overt displays. 3. Respect his need for stability. Taurus values routine and steadiness. Offer reassurance and avoid unnecessary drama. 4. Balance deep conversations with practicality. Engage him in meaningful talks, but keep them grounded and straightforward. 5. Align on shared values. Participate in his traditions and routines to create a sense of belonging. 6. Be patient emotionally. Taurus men open up slowly. Give him time to reveal his feelings. 7. Demonstrate care through actions. Show love with thoughtful, practical gestures that prove your devotion. 8. Enjoy nature and comfort together. Join him in appreciating the outdoors or creating cozy spaces. 9. Avoid power struggles. Both are strong-willed. Practice diplomacy and respect boundaries. 10. Express genuine passion and depth. Be authentic and emotionally sincere to deepen his attachment. By combining loyalty, patience, and genuine emotional connection, a Scorpio woman can captivate a Taurus man's heart and nurture a profound, enduring love. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.